What's up, guys? It's your boy Steve coming back at you with another rendition of Pokedad and the Kid. Today we're going to be opening up two Scarlet and Violet 6-pack booster bundles. All new era, all new Pokemon. Let's bust these bad boys open and see what we get. Alright guys, so we got everything unpacked. We got 12 total booster packs, which I will be showing the artworks to each pack. I think they look simply amazing. Also, as I picked these up from GameStop, I also got the special GameStop promo of Lechonk, who I think is a cute looking pig. Kind of reminds me of the pig from Angry Birds, if you're familiar with Angry Birds. But nonetheless, he is Lechonk. He is part of Scarlet and Violet. And for those of y'all that are playing the game, you'll see him a lot in the actual game, as well as him testralizing in the all-new game as well. And you can get this specifically through GameStop when you, I guess, get any type of product, and you can use that on the Scarlet and Violet game. Right now I am finishing up Scarlet. Have not played Violet yet, but we will be getting that into that hopefully very soon. Nonetheless, let's get into these artworks for the packs. So we got the trio of Fuecoco, Quaxly, and Sprigatito. My personal starter for the actual game itself is the Fuecoco. Then we also have the Tetralize Gyarados, which I think is pretty amazing artwork, as well as the Miraidon and Koraidon artwork. Of course, this one is in the Scarlet. This one is in the Violet. But nonetheless, 12 packs. Now, they did change up the format for the pack openings. There's no longer going to be a, how do you say, I guess pack trick. It's all simply going to be one card to the front, which would be the energy card, and this card here would be the actual I guess hit card. Now you are going to get two reverse holo cards. If not anything, the second to last card would be like the Trainer Gallery style card that's in the actual set. But let's go ahead and get right into this. New era starting off. Scarlet and Violet. Alright. So we do have the new silver borders compared to the old yellow borders, which it's going to get kind of getting a little bit used to. However, I do like the style that it's going to have. Alright, so we do have a Growlithe. We have a Sarvia. We have Ralts. We got Tadamas. We got Marigosa. We got Heracross. We got the Defiance Band. Okay, so we got Skeledirge, which is the evolved form of, or third form of Fuecoco. And we got, okay, very nice. We got a Pachirisu, and we got Hollow Cleflick. Alright, so this is the, I guess, new gallery spot card. It is a very nice looking card. We gotta sleeve this guy up. I do like the artwork on that. That is really nice looking. Looking forward to seeing everything that's going to be inside the actual set itself. So we're going to go ahead and set all the other cards to the side. You know what? I'll go ahead and sleeve up that hollow. We'll put him in the back as well. Alright, next pack going in, the trio. If you are playing the game, which was your starter Pokemon? Leave the comments down below. Alright. So, we'll do the Leonhart Guess the Energy. Let's go ahead and start off with fire. Oh, okay, it's fighting. Alright, here we go. So we got Quaxly, we got Pawniard, we got Crushing Hammer, we got Starly, we got Arven, we got Cacturn, we got Mezagoza. Okay, we got Starvia as one of the reverses. We got Magnemite as one of the reverses, and we got a Donduzu as the hollow. So I'll go ahead and sleeve this guy up as well. For those of y'all joining us today, and if it's your first time on the channel, I want to welcome everybody here. For those that are returning, I want to say, hey, what's up? How's your week been? I am recording this on a Wednesday night, so I guess you could say it's hump day. But nonetheless, if you're new to the channel, hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that icon bell, so this way you're notified when we do get a new video on the channel. Alright, let's go ahead and guess, let's guess Psychic. Oh, okay, so it's that Steel Energy. So we got Drowsy, we got Pneumonia, we got Little Chunk, we got Flabébé, we got Pathra, we got Arven, we got Cacturn, we got Flittle, we got Drowsy as one of the reverses, and we got an Emerange. Now you gotta excuse me, I gotta get used to some of these names. Even in the actual game itself, I'm looking at some of these Pokemon and I'm like, what? Some of them kind of have that Spanish vibe, and I'm like, okay. We've gone, how do you say, we've gone Espanol. Alright. So we got 3 packs left from the first box. Let's go ahead and do that pack trick. Let's guess fire. Okay, so it's grass. So we got that Tarantula. We got that Pokemon Catcher. We got Clauncher. We got the Levy. We got Spiritomb. We got that Ultra Ball. We got Esperanza. We got a Varoom as the first reverse. We got Dedenne as the second reverse. And we got a Revavroom. Okay. Pretty cool. Like I said, they're all new Pokemon that are coming out. And some Pokemons that are in this actual set are like very interesting. Some of them are Pokemons that you wouldn't even think were Pokemons. But nonetheless, I'm not judgy. I'm just curious on what can we get next. All right. Let's go one to the front and we'll go ahead and guess. Let's guess electric. Oh, okay. So we got that electric energy. We got Sedoodle. We got Varoom. We got Magikarp. We got Magnemite. We got that Rocky Helmet. We got Positive. We got Oinkling. We got Magneton as the first reverse. We got Drifloon as the second. And we got an Albervileva as the holo. Okay. Interesting cards in these packs. Very, very, very interesting. All right. So we're going into the last pack here of the first box. Not really anything big, but it's okay. Because we're merely doing it for the collection. Again, it is a new set. So, I mean, of course, we might not get the big hitters right away. But nonetheless, we want to get something big. All right, let's go ahead and guess this one. Let's go ahead and guess grass. Oh, fire. Okay. So we got Dedenne. We got Pineco. Sorry. We got Flittle. We got Fuecoco. We got Oinkling. We got Spiritomb. We got Ultra Ball. We got Falotzel as the first reverse. We got Riolu in the second reverse. And we got Anilinape as the holo. Again, we are going to leave the holos just for the holo's sake. All right, first pack of the second booster bundle. All right. Let's go ahead and guess. Let's guess fighting. Oh, steel. Okay. So those of y'all who have opened up this set, what has been the big hitter card that you've gotten? Also, what cards are you looking for actually to pull? I just want to pull them all. Oinkling, Breloom, Kilowattrel. That's a pretty cool looking bird. Okay, so we got a Toedscruel. Kind of looks like a oh, what's that one Pokemon? Tentacruel in a way. Okay, we got a gold basic energy card. I can work with that. Okay. And we got a Cloth as the holo. That's a nice looking gold card. You can see the actual texture on it. That is a nice looking card. So we'll go ahead and sleeve this guy up. And we'll go ahead and sleeve up the cloth. Now, if y'all have played the Scarlet and Violet game, I believe he's one of the legendary Pokemon that are in the actual gaming. All right, let's get into this next pack here. Packing feels kind of weird, but nonetheless, we're not judging. All right, so we got one to the front, and we're gonna go ahead and guess fire. Ooh, fighting, okay. So we got fighting, we got Zangoose, we got Krogunk, we got Dedenne, we got Switch, we got Scavillion, we got Oinkling, we got Breloom, we got Switch as the reverse, we got Ralts as the reverse, and we got, okay, we got Toxicroak EX. I do like that artwork on that card. A little bit different seeing the EX cards. However, it is a nice looking card. All right. So we got 4 packs left. 4 packs left. The Gyarados centralized card. Artwork. Can we pull a Gyarados from here? The world may never know. All right, one to the front. Let's guess water. Oh, fighting. Okay. So we got that fighting. We got Houndour. We got Sodaddle. We got Magikarp. We got Magnemite. We got Defiance Band. We got Tatsugurli. We got Nest Ball. We got Houndstone is one of the reverses. Okay, we got another gold card. We got the Koraidon EX and followed by a Palmont. All right. That is a nice looking gold card of Koraidon. Pretty neat looking card. Okay. Let's go ahead and set him to the back. We'll go ahead and sleeve up this Palmont as well. All right. So we got 3 packs left. And already we got 2 gold cards in this opening, which isn't too bad. Not gonna complain. All right, so let's go ahead and go with Psychic. Oh, fighting again, okay. Let's go ahead and move some of these to the side. All right, so we got that fighting energy. We got Killerla. We got Fuecoco. We got Trophius. We got Pokeball. We got Kilowattrel. We got Heracross. We got Crocodile. We got Magneton. We got Pawniard. And we got Slowbro. I really like that artwork on that Slowbro. Kind of has that old school vibe to it. That's pretty cool. All right. Right on. Last 2 packs. All right. Let's see what we got in this one here. Let's go ahead and go with Steel. Oh, Grass. Okay. So we got Rotom. We got Palpad. We got Flabébé. We got Toxel. We got Flamigo. We got Fortress. We got Rocky Helmet. We got a potion in the reverse. In the second reverse, we got Wiglet. And we got Professor's Research. Okay. Set her off to the back. All right, and we got one more pack to go. Can we get that last pack magic? Nonetheless, I am happy with this opening. Again, for those of y'all that have joined us today, I can't thank y'all enough for joining. For those of y'all that are new, like I said, hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that icon bell. This way you're notified when we do post up another video. All right, we got that last pack magic. Let's see what we can get. Let's go ahead and guess fire. Oh, water. Okay. So we got that water energy. We got energy switch. We got Varoom. We got culture. We got Skidoo. We got Pachyrus. We got that picnic basket. We got Bombarditer. That's a pretty cool bird. We got energy retrieval in the reverse. We got Esparatha in the reverse. And we got another Hunalep as the hollow rare in this one. All right, nonetheless, I want to say this has been a pretty cool opening, if I don't say so myself. All right, let's go over these and see what we got. We got an Analyte hollow. We got a Professor Research hollow, a Slowbro hollow, a Palmont hollow. We did get that gold Koraidon EX. We got that Toxel EX. We got Cloth. We did get that basic energy gold card. We got another Analyte hollow, a Bravla hollow, a Reverum hollow, a Ramarich hollow, a Dunduzu hollow, a Clefaic hollow, and a Pachyrus card as well. I want to thank you guys for joining me today. I can't thank y'all enough. Hopefully, if y'all are getting into this new Scarlet Violet set, hopefully y'all got some pretty cool pulls in y'all's openings. If y'all have gotten any big hitters, leave what you got in the comments below, and let me know what you've gotten so far. And let me know if y'all do have the game, if y'all got Lechonk, Flying Terrier type. And let me know how many of y'all have used it so far. But nonetheless, I want to thank y'all for joining me today. Stay positive, stay strong, and as always, remember, you gotta catch them all.